Hey guys, this is a short video on how to wash your Faja and Waist Trainer in the washing machine. If you have a Faja or a Waist Trainer, you know that you're supposed to hand wash your Faja and also your Waist Trainer, right? Okay, so after you hand wash, you're supposed to line dry. I'm not line drying because I don't have lines and I'm not going to go out to get lines. So you can actually wash your Faja and your Waist Trainer in the washing machine as well as dry it in the dryer. I'm going to show you how. So if you have a bottom load, only a bottom load, which is right here, what you're going to select is you're going to power on the washing machine and you're going to select delicates. This is equivalent to hand washing. Delicates. If you have a top load, you're going to power on the washing machine if you prefer to wash it in the top load and select delicates. I'm going to wash mine in the top load because it's a small load and that's what the top load was designed for. Quick washes. So it's on delicate. I'm going to put my detergent in. I'm going to put my sanitizer in. And my fabric softener. Okay, it's 41 minutes and I'm going to just power it on and it's going to start the wash cycle. And this is equivalent to hand washing. It makes life so much easier. Now let's fast forward to the drying process. When this is done, I'm going to power on my dryer. I am going to select air fluff. This is equivalent to line drying. It says manual dry, air fluff. If you have these settings, use it. I'm going to put mine to 60 minutes because I want to make sure it's thoroughly dry. Then I'll put my Faja and my Waist Trainer in the dryer and then I'll press start. And that's it, guys. That was my quick laundry hack for washing your Waist Trainer and your Faja. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, love you.